welcome back to ReddyControls. This is a short video about what this community is all about. If you go to my channel webpage at youtube.com and ReddyControls, you'll see this new star button that indicate that I have membership enabled. And if you click on the membership, I'm providing two types of membership. One is for the PLC apprentice, in which you get access to members only content, early access to new videos and members only shot. And then you have a controls engineer, which has the member shoutouts and members only live stream. And to show a glimpse of what all we have in that is, we have about 10 plus videos in it. And recently we've been working on creating add-on instruction set deep dive developments, and you could see they are multiple videos on how to create
Hello,
these.
welcome back to Red.
And this goes into deep dive about how do you set up the AOI tags and all the details, right? So it's a good community to join, and I have started creating members only post where you could see the quizzes that helps you learn new topics, right? So if you get a chance, please give it a try, and learn more about controls and automation. Thank you. If you are not yet subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel.